All right, guys, we are out here today in West Tennessee. Holly wanted to get on some fish after a rough couple of state championship tournaments. So we came to her favorite lake. Hopefully she can find some big ones. It's not my favorite lake. You guys have seen us fish out here in the past. That's where a lot of her big fish come from. But hopefully you can get on them. I did catch a few this morning on a whopper plopper. So we'll see how it goes. All right, love you. Get on them, babe.
Where are you going, though?
I think I'm just gonna go back to the island and work my way this way real quick before my dad gets over there. Over that way to the left. That big finger that I like. Oh, they're shocking fish. They got the electric shocker out here. They're shocking up fish. Don't love that. All right, just a little dink on the jerk bait, but we got one. All right, guys, that one was 13 and a half. Little guy. Another little dink. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and switch lures. I was using this Whopper Plopper 90. It's that black shad or shad black or color, but this thing's caught me hundreds of fish. I do upsize my hooks. I think it makes it run a little slower, gives it a little bit more subtle plop. I went with this one this morning thinking with these fall fish they might want something a little more quiet, a little more subtle, but I'm actually going to go ahead and cut it off and switch to a buzzbait. Big old crappie. Keeper crappie. Alright guys. Big old crappie on a jerkbait. I got 2 crappie on a jerkbait. If I turn live scope on, I could catch the heck out of some crappie. I did have one miss, like right over there in that hole, like where it cuts in. I had one miss the buzzbait right over there. Have you caught any? Not a fish?
Nothing.
My dad say he has 4. Alright. Alright, another 13 and a quarter. Alright guys, a little midday update. I have 2 keepers for sure that are 13 and a quarter. One's 13 and a half. Got another one that was probably 12. I didn't put it on the board. I should have. It is tough out here. It is a grind. Fall fishing. Got one on a buzzbait now, so Topwater seems to be where it's at for me. I did catch a couple crappies on a jerkbait. I caught a little bass on a jerkbait, but it seems like that Topwater bite is where it's at. So we'll see how we do. We're gonna keep going, try to get that 3rd fish on the board. So I'll let you know how we go. That's I don't know, it might be 12. I don't know. Pretty small. All right, guys. Another dink. Oh, of course you did. Of course you did. I hate braid. Oh, I hate it. There's another one. All right. 3 fish limit, 12 inches. I love you. All right, got my limit fish. It is a very small limit for this lake. I have 38.5 inches out of 3. We usually fish this tournament. This lake is a 3 fish tournament, but we're gonna try to get some more. Hopefully we can upgrade. Holly's really trying to get a fish, so she tied on a buzzbait. That's what I've been getting bites on. You're really cute. Huh? You would be cute if you're holding a fish. I'm not saying your bad fishing skills are a turnoff or anything. Okay, get ahead of me and go run that bank. I'm going to go up this point and I'm going to fish that little cove around this point, and then I'm going to run that bank. So get ahead of me. Baby, fall fishing's all about covering water. I know. Dude, there was like spider web flying through the air over there, and it just like completely ate my whole entire face. I'm telling myself it was just the spider web though, not the spider. Because I don't be liking spiders.
What speed do you freaking go?
I'm on a 2.5.
I'm on a freaking 4.5 just trying to get in front of you. You're like, run the bank, run the bank. I'm at like a freaking 10 to stay ahead of you. I'm trying to get ahead of you so I can fish this stump, but now I can't fish
This
stump.
stump?
Yeah.
There ain't no fish on this stump, baby. Get up there where that water is ripply. There ain't no
Put
fish.
on a Texas break so that I can get up on a freaking buzzbait. Bullshit.
GoPro highlight.
GoPro, shut up. I should have slept in today.
I mean, I'm not hammering them, but I'm doing all right.
Must be nice. Go fish a fish.
Huh? Baby, why are you refusing to do what I'm telling you?
This is not my kind of fishing.
But that's how we're catching the fish. Well, I mean, there's only one of us catching fish. Me and little Jesus. I really feel like you should have got little Jesus just now when you were.
Little Jesus in my pocket. Not selfish.
Little Jesus, she didn't need that.
You're talking about me.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I missed him. Oh. That is the same exact spot I missed that one this morning. All right, guys, caught some good fish today. Not the size you're used to here, but I caught a bunch. Ended up with 16 and a half and 2 13 and a quarters for my best 3. Got a 5 fish limit of 12s as well. So not too bad all in all. I think we're gonna go try to hit up another lake to close out the day. Let you know how that one goes. All right, we're at a new lake. It was about 30 minutes away from the one we fished. Holly skunked at the first lake, so she wanted to try something different, try to get on some fish. I love switching lakes, especially ones that are very different. Makes you just kind of change everything up, and figure out how to catch them at another place. So hopefully we can get on a few of them. Let's get after it. Got one on a jerk bait. Huh? Look at that. GoPro highlight. That's a jerkbait fish. Ugh. You have the hook. You have the speaker hook. The little guy. Nice one. All the bigger ones of the day. There you go. Another good one. Well, that's a wrap. We got on them pretty good here. I think I caught 6. We only had a couple hours. I think I caught 6 or 7. Mostly on a buzzbait, but I did get a couple on a jerkbait. Trying to learn a jerkbait. That's a bait I'm trying to add this year, so I'll be throwing that quite a bit. All in all, great day. Caught a lot of fish.